What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video today, man. Today we want to do picking up girls, but I'm not talking at all. All I'm going to do, go up to them, not saying a word. Not saying a word. Not saying a word, but we're going to see how many numbers can I get. How many numbers can I get without saying a word?
Well, you want me to call myself? What's your name? Yeah, you in the same school. Maybe it's hello. Oh, I think I have your Snapchat. Maybe later. I think I have you on Snapchat. She's got you on Snapchat. Maybe text me through there. If anything. Bye. Thank you. You're not getting it. Sorry. No, you're not. Yes. What did you do? My number. No. Why? I don't even know if I can but I know in my head. I don't give a fuck. Hello. What do you want? I'm gonna do not disturb though. What? My number? Oh! channel. You want my number? No, thank you. My number? For what? Okay, I don't want to use this number. I don't have American number. North Carolina. What? What? There's nothing in there. Yo no have my pues está bien. La verdad es que salimos a las 5 de la mañana, tío. Quería hacer mucha de Chicago. Y es 2 horas y luego 4 y media. Porque no sé si hay. Sorry. I have a boyfriend. Sorry. No, thanks. Sorry. What do you want? What do you want? Number?
Is this working? All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I know the audio was kind of messing up a lot in this video, but bear with me. Hope it was good enough for y'all. But I want to give a big idea prop. I got this idea from my boy Ben Butler. Boy, he told me to do this video, and it went successful. Boy, I got a lot of numbers, in this video, what you saw, I got like 13 numbers out of 25. It was successful, and yeah, we're gonna keep making more videos like this. So watch your back. You might be next. But anyway, stay tuned for the next video. Peace. Love y'all.
Oh my gosh.